Okay. This is something I wanted to share with you guys. Like I said, Stampin' Up, in case you haven't heard, is changing ink pads. We are getting away from this style that we have here, if I can get it open, and we are going to a magnetic ink pad. And it will be just like this. Of course, it won't have this. This is as close to my heart label, but look at that, how easy that is to open. Literally anyone can open that, whether you have arthritis or not. It just opens so easily. The pad is still going to be raised above the case, so you can ink up your stamps. If you want to ink up your stamps like this, you still can. It is a felt covered pad rather than the squishy foam. And the reason they're switching to the felt is because it's a more stable medium. And they're hoping that they won't have the same troubles that they've been having with some of their ink pads over the years. Think of Cloud Cover and Purple Posy, just to name a couple. And so that's very exciting. The Stampin' Up will have labels like we do on our current stamp cases. You'll get labels, and then you can add them to your pad. So you'd want to add one, here or on the top, and then you can add one right in here so you know what color you have out. Now, these pads are magnetic, like I said, so they open and close super easy. But what else they can do is you can flip that upside down, and then they magnet together. So you won't have to worry about losing your lid. And if you did get them disorganized, you'll have your little color strip in here so you'll know which one goes to what. So like I said, very cool that you can have them out on your table. Just like our old pads, you could have them out there. And I'm just super excited. They also have the ink well. So if you wanted to squish your pad together and get ink in the well, you absolutely can do that. Not a problem at all. And I'm just very excited. So the reason I wanted this type of pad is I wanted to see how it was going to stamp for me. I wanted to see if it was going to stamp. I really like the impression that we get with our foam pads. And so I really wanted to see if I could get a nice impression with the felt pad. Here are a bunch of things that I stamped. I stamped the distinctive pear stamp. Looks beautiful. I'll even bring it up closer. I stamped a little line art image from Choose Happy. Looks great. I stamped the bold flower and leaves from the Sunshine and Tulips. Looks fantastic. I stamped the super bold hill that comes in the Terrific Toadstools, I think it's called. Looks fantastic. And then here's a sentiment. Now, this little mess up right here isn't because of the stamp pad. It's because of me, because I'm a heavy-handed stamper and I pressed a little bit too hard. But let's go ahead and just stamp something with it so we can see. Let me get a scrap out here. I've got so much. Oh, here we go. So here's a scrap. What do we have? I'm just going to grab this because it's here. I do believe that the ink refills will not be compatible between this style of pad and our old pads, or I shouldn't say old pads, our current pads. But there's no reason why you can't still use your current pads. Just because Stampin' Up changes their ink pad to a different style doesn't mean you have to change yours. If you are happy with stamping with these and you don't want to switch, you don't have to. You'll get to try them out because our new ink colors are going to be in this style of pad, but you absolutely do not have to replace your pads. Now, I'm going to, because I have a serious problem with these pads, and every single time I open and close these pads, I always get ink on my thumb. I don't know why. I've tried to look back at old videos of mine to see what am I doing wrong. I cannot figure it out, but I get ink on my thumb every single time I stamp. It's very frustrating because sometimes I don't realize it and then it transfers to my projects. With this pad here, I don't foresee that happening at all. Plus, sometimes, like I think I just pulled out this Highland Heather, this one is a bit hard to open. Some of my pads are hard to open. Some of them are not. This one happens to be one that's a little bit harder to open. Now, I don't have arthritis or any problem like that, so it's not a problem for me, but I know it's a problem for some people. Anyway, and a lot of times, if you're a demonstrator and you hold classes, sometimes people will open your pads and they will break them because they can't figure out the sliding mechanism and they'll break your pads. So that's not going to be a problem anymore, and I'm really, really excited about that. So let's do some stamping. Let's pull out, this is a good leaf right here. Here is a block. Now I'm going to ink it up upside down. And now linen pads, you do need to, again, I just touched my finger there. I'll have to be careful about that. But I could also just put that on the ground and then I wouldn't have that happen. Let me get that ink off my finger. I'm just going to lick it because it's non-toxic and wipe it on my pants. So I could take the bottom off and then I'm not going to get my finger in there. And we will stamp this again. Like you need to ink them up a little bit more probably than you have with stamps. But look at that. That's amazing. I love it. And for me personally, it was nothing different that I don't normally do because I typically tap, tap, tap all over my pads anyway to ink them up. So for me, that's not going to be anything different. And then I will just stamp it and it will be amazing. And I can hardly wait. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. The pads are a little bit different in size, as you can tell from our current pads. They're basically the same height. The height is not much different. But you can see the length is a little bit different and the width is a little skinnier. This fits in my current Stampin' Up! Storage unit perfectly fine. The fact that it sticks out a little farther at this end to me does not bother me a bit. In fact, it might make it easier for me to get them out of the slots. So I'm not mad about that at all. So like I said, I'm really excited about it. And I thank my team member for sharing this pad with me because I really wanted to see this for myself. So there you go. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that.